So if any connectivity issue, student, no problem, you will get the recording. Okay. So coordinate geometry. So we are going to revise what I discussed in the last class quickly in 20 minutes. Okay. So what do you understand about coordinate geometry? If someone asks what is coordinate geometry, I mean, what is your response, student? Can you tell me what is your understanding? Because even 9th student also can answer what is coordinate geometry. You know two terms, right? Geometry means what? I know that. What is geometry? Sorry, what is coordinates? What is coordinates? Guys, very simple. Okay, if I draw a line, okay, and I'm asking where is this point A with respect to O? If you know this distance, you will say what? A is present 2 centimeter from O, correct or not? So this 2 is called as coordinates, very simple. But how many measurement is needed? Only 2, only 2. If I have one more point, here, okay, consider A, this time I'm going to say what? This time I'm going to say 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So if I say what, how much is distance? 3 centimeters from O. So basically, what are things you need? If you want to locate a point in a line, you need one reference point, and from the reference point, how much is the distance? So whatever we are discussing is called as 1D, one dimension, correct? So what is your understanding? In one dimension, one distance is sufficient to mention a point from the reference point. So reference point is needed, one distance, clear or not? In which direction, right? To the right, to the right, to the left, to the right, okay, or to the above or below, right? 4 directions there, na, guys. From this point, this is right, this is left, this is above, this is below, correct or not? So I have to say from O to the right, 3 centimeter to the right, right? These are the things are needed, right? Now, if I draw one more line here, okay? So I'm going to mark a point B. This time, this distance is considered roughly, I'm going to say 4 centimeter. So what you will say? B is a point which is 4 centimeter above O. Clear or not? Above O. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt on this? No doubt, right?
No, sir.
No doubt. Now I'm going to put another point. Okay, consider a point here, a point C. Where is C with reference to O? O is a reference point, na?
Yes, sir.
Where is C? If I'm asking where is C, what you'll say? C is a point. Till now, these points are in the line, correct or not? But the moment point is not in the line, it's called as plane. It's called as plane.
Plane.
Plane is a 2D figure. It's a 2D figure, correct or not? So 2D figure means, 1 minute, student.
Faculty meeting today 9 o'clock, no? 9:15 exact.
9:15, sir, right, sir? 9:15.
9
o'clock, sir. 9 o'clock, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Just send me the link. That
Yes.
is 11th regular only, huh? 11th regular.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
and attendance for today's 12th regular class also is possible.
Yes, sir. Actually, still they are working on it, sir. I didn't get. Yeah.
No problem. And then when it comes.
As soon as comes, I'll send everything, sir. One shot. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Sorry, guys. Some urgent call. Okay, guys. If I put a point C, if I want to mention where this point is, means how you locate this point C is 3 centimeter in the to the right or the horizontal and 4 centimeter above. Clear or not? 3 centimeter to the right, 4 centimeter above. So you need 2 reference point to locate a point in a plane. So now the conclusion is what? If a point in a line, which means 1D, line is 1D. If you want to locate a point in 1D, you need one distance. If you want to locate a point in plane, you need two distance. One is horizontal distance, another one is vertical distance. Anyone can tell me what is this? Because it's not new, correct or not? Just a thing and answer. Quickly, I'll send this. I'll respond to one of the urgent message. Guys, just a thing and answer. Okay, guys. Sorry, everyone. So anyone got the answer? From ninth also you can answer. Darun Shankar, you can answer. Where is this point? Can you tell me locate how to mention reference this point? You normally use two distances like this. This is called as coordinates. Can you tell me what is that? Darun Shankar,
3 and 4.
3, 4. Oh, this is what, guys, all magic is started from this. Trust me, student. The entire coordinate geometry. Sir, what a beauty, sir. If you locate a point and just with this two value, what is a miracle, guys? Entire magic, because entire mathematics 20% taken care by coordinate geometry. If you think the whole max in the world, 20% of max is taken care by what? Coordinate. Very, very important things. And the magic is start because of mentioning this. A magic is starting just because of mentioning a point with two values. Even though it's two value, it is actually 1 point. It is telling 1 point. Clear or not? Guys, clear or not? And this point is called as coordinates. And the first point is called as x coordinate. Second point is called as y coordinate. And the x coordinate, other name, anyone can tell me? What is the other name of x coordinate? What is the other name of y coordinate?
X coordinate abscissa.
Abscissa. Okay. And y coordinate?
Origin.
Coordinate, not origin. Okay. Origin is this student. This is called as origin. Origin represented by 0, 0. So this point is called as origin. Clear or not? So now, guys, I'm asking one question. What is the distance between these two guys? O and A. OA's distance is what? 3 centimeter. Crystal clear. What is the distance OB? 4 centimeter. No doubt on that. So you are all very clear, even not even 9th standard, even 5th standard student, if I ask, this is 3 centimeter, the distance is 3 centimeter, immediately they will say. But if I ask, what is this distance? Means what you will say. What is this distance? If I ask, then it is a challenging work. Correct or not? It's a challenging work. That's what we are going to see now. Okay. So guys, this plane basically who invented, his name is Rene. You know, I don't know exact spelling, something Descartes, something. Okay. But the pronunciation is, I know it's Descartes. What is that? Descartes. Okay. So he only invented this plane. Okay. It was actually, if you read the story, it was very nice story. He was, when he was lying down on the bed, he was seeing the floor, sorry, ceiling. On the ceiling, there is something called mosquitoes or some flies. He does, I don't know what is that. It's moving. Suddenly he want to locate where it was. That is where he created the entire ceiling like this and take one corner as a reference point. And he was thinking, okay, from this reference point, horizontal distance this, and that particular insect or mosquitoes is here. So somehow that's what the story is, real or not, we don't know, correct or not. But he is the one who invented. So with, by, you know, you have to give some gratitude to him, right? the one who invented, like Pythagoras theorem, right? Similarly, Pythagoras is invented by Pythagoras. Similarly, Descartes. So this is why this coordinate plane, this plane is called as Cartesian plane. Student. This plane is called as Cartesian plane. Crystal clear or not? Introduction. I didn't say anything. I didn't say any definition. You all understand coordinate geometry all about locating a point in 2D plane, and whatever you are learning, it's 2D, okay, not 3D. 3D you will learn in your 11th standard. So all you have to understand, locate a point in a 2D plane with two values. One value is called as x coordinate, other value is y coordinate. X coordinate, other name is abscissa, y coordinate, other name is ordinate. Even though it's crash course, I'm taking from the very beginning. So anyone can understand even the basics, not only this chapter, all the chapter I'm going to do like this. Okay. So please remember, it's called as x coordinate, this is called as y coordinate. Now the question, if some point is here, how to, that's why this x coordinate extended this side also, it's called as x dash or negative x. This y coordinate extended like this, it's called as y dash or negative y. Clear or not? And this gives 4 different quadrants. Guys, whatever I'm explaining, it is not something needed in your 10th standard. You already learn in your 8th standard, 9th standard. Clear or not? This is called as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant, right? We are not talking much about that, but you know all about this. Yes or no? Can I have yes or no? Everyone.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts you can ask? Any doubts you can ask? No doubts? Then I'll go. Okay. So now what is going to happen in coordinate geometry? What is this? What is coordinate geometry? What is the definition? So one thing, student, so the magic is happen. I'll tell you, student, in coordinate geometry, what happened? It's not writing. In coordinate geometry, every object, guys, every object, you know some 2D shapes, correct or not?
Yes,
Some
sir.
circle, some triangle. It can be any triangle. It can be square. It can be rectangle. Guys, anything like this, okay? Normally what we know earlier till your 9th standard, we know radius, we will find what? Area. We know base and perpendicular height, we know how to find the area. We know length and breadth, how to find the area. Clear or not? You all learn, the measurement will be given. But the beauty of coordinate geometry, they will not give you the measurement. They will give you the corner points. Are you clear? Corner points will be given. Sir, if corner points will be given, what is the beauty, sir? That is where magic is happen. I told you now, if you want to understand the magic, not just one day is enough, student, right? Even in 10th, you will understand a lot of magics, right? So these corner points, for example, I'm going to say this point is 2 or 3, this point is 5, and this is origin 0, 0. Can you tell me how to represent this point? Anyone can tell me. If I say this is 1.
Sir, 0, 1.
This point is what? This point.
Sir, 3:1.
3, 1, not 3:1, 3, 1. And what is this point?
Sir, 5,
5, 1. If I say this point, student 3, can you tell me what is this point? 3, 3. This point 5, 3. Anyone can tell me what is the distance between these two? If I say A, B, C, D, anyone can tell me what is AB? What is the distance? I'm not teaching any formula, student. Just I'm asking, what is the distance of AB?
So 1 centimeter.
Sir, 2.
2
Units.
2 units.
How? You see below, guys. You don't worry about this. Just see that 3 changed to 5. So this distance would be 2 units. Yes or no? Similarly, who is going to say this distance? AD. AD. Guys, I'm not teaching any formula. Actually, there is a distance formula. What is the answer? 2 units, correct? Because 1 is changed to 3. Clear or not? 2 units. So now you guys understand earlier till your 9th standard, how you find area? They will say length equal 2 units, breadth equal 2 units. What is the area? But in coordinate geometry, what's going to happen? The corner points will be given and they will ask you to find the area. What you will do? You will find this distance and you will find this distance and you will find the area. What about this? They will give you this point, they will give you this point. And the moment they will give these 2 points, you can find the radius. Yes or no? If you know radius, you know how to find. So guys, feel that yes, anything is possible. Instead of giving direct measurement, if the points are given, if the corner points are given, that's more than enough to find whatever we want. That you something you find through mensuration. Clear or not? Everyone or not? Guys, everyone, everything's clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Any doubt, ask me. Right. Okay. So here I wanted to say one thing, student. This x coordinate is called as abscissa and y coordinate is ordinate. Anyone can tell me this is 3 is a location, but how to mention in the form of coordinates? Anyone can tell me this 3.
30.
How? 0, 3
3,
or 3,
0. 3, 0.
0. This is actually 5
5,
is a
5,
point.
0.
5,
0.
0.
Notice, student, in x-axis, this is called as x-axis, all y value is 0. That is why equation of x-axis y equal to 0. Can you tell me who can say what is this point in coordinate system?
0,
1.
1.
This is 3
0,
is
3.
0,
notice in y-axis your x value is 0. So that's why equation of y-axis is what? X equal to 0. Why? Because entire y-axis your x equal to 0. Entire x-axis your y equal to 0. Clear or not? Very important truth, student. You should remember. The one more thing, guys. So many important truths, right? You should know before I'm starting. You should know all those things. Okay. What is this x coordinate or abscissa, student? 3 is what, student? 3 is this distance. What is the definition? You say abscissa is horizontal distance, or you can say a perpendicular distance from the y-axis. Bolo, how you will say? Abscissa is what? Abscissa is what? Perpendicular distance from where? Y-axis. Very important, student, because this time you are going to have MCQ. I'm sure that these kind of confusion question will come. So can you tell me what is x coordinate or abscissa? Is a perpendicular distance from the y-axis. So horizontal distance is what? Perpendicular distance from the y-axis. What is ordinate? Anyone can define like that? Same way, who is going to define? It's a perpendicular distance.
Perpendicular distance of y-axis.
No.
X-axis.
X coordinate is perpendicular from y-axis. Y coordinate is perpendicular distance from the
X-axis.
x-axis. Very important. Okay, guys. You should be very careful. Okay, when you are defining what is abscissa, there are 4 options will be given. So you should know very crystal clear. Okay. Sometimes, sir, I know, sir, x coordinate, y coordinate, because x is always first, y is second. This is abscissa and this is ordinate. Sometimes I have a confusion. Suddenly, I'm thinking this is ordinate, this is abscissa. Means just I'll give you one simple clue that in English, which letter comes first? A letter, A or O? A comes first. Correct or not? So your first thing is always A. Second thing is O. Correct? So don't forget this truth going to live with you, right? So many years today, even 11th and 12th, if you are going to take maths, trust me, this concept will help you a lot, right? Can I have a sir no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. So I'm going to define what is coordinate geometry. I didn't define now what is coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? Guys, my letter is clear or not? My handwriting is okay, understandable?
Yes, sir.
Right. Guys, Now I'm going to give a proper definition of coordinate geometry. So these are all called as what, student? Geometrical shapes. These are all called as geometrical shapes. So you are learning geometry using what? Coordinates. So now what is the definition you can give? Coordinate geometry is study of geometry. Tell me, study of geometry using
Using coordinates.
Coordinates.
excellent. Study of geometry using coordinates. Second thing is what you'll say.
Algebra.
Great thing is what? Study of geometry. This I didn't say that you are going to learn it now. Sir, how come, sir? Yes. Guys, you tell me how you are finding this distance. 5 minus 3. So the moment you started using some arithmetic operation and some English letter, guys, the moment you started using English letter, who is coming to picture? Algebra is coming.
Algebra.
Okay, so in your childhood, 2 plus box equal to 5 means, what is this means? You will say 3. But in 10th standard, you will not learn like that. You will learn 2 plus x equal to 5. Then x equal to what you will say? 5 minus 2 equal to 3. This is what algebra, correct or not? This is what algebra, clear or not? So now you are going to learn the geometry using algebra. Very important. Okay, guys, someone asked, what is coordinate geometry? Simply you say study of geometry using coordinate, study of geometry using algebra. So this is the place where algebra, guys, no other place. Here only the algebra meets geometry. That's why coordinate geometry, one of the great invention, even though it's very simple. Always great things are simple, student. Any great things, always simple. Okay. So this is the place. There is a formula. Every geometrical expression can be expressed with algebra. Every algebraic expression can be represented as a geometry. Very important. Na? For example, if I say 2x plus 3y equal to 5, what is represent? Can you tell me? 2x plus 3y equal to 5, what it represent? It is represent straight line, correct or not? X square plus 2x plus 3, it's going to represent parabola. Guys, every algebraic expression going to have some geometrical meaning, diagram. This is the beauty of math, student. Any expression, any formula, it is connected to the real life. That's why maths is not something like other subject. Maths is a real world application. Only thing is we are not applying in the real life, reality. Clear or not? So guys, because of you are studying geometry using coordinates called as coordinate geometry. Because of your studying geometry using algebra, it is called as what? Anyone can tell me? What is the other name?
Analytic geometry. Analytical geometry.
Analytical geometry. Because of this geometry found by whom? Descartes. So we are calling this as a, what is the other name?
Cartesian plane.
Geometry. Yes, the plane is Cartesian plane. But we have to respect him in the things also, na? So it's called as Cartesian geometry. Guys, are you clear? Introduction is clear or not, everyone? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
introduction is clear
Yes,
or not? Right, guys, feel free to talk and express your thing. Okay, so I can see that students joined who attended last class. They are in now, guys. Okay, so for them, please, okay, there are new students joined today, right? For them, I started the class at 7, but as usual, right, when I'm starting the introduction, I want to give more. So it is exceeding the time which I planned. Okay, so wait for another 15 minutes. Students, it's a good revision for you. Correct? Everyone, old student, who not
Yes,
old
sir.
student, whoever attended last class, please wait for some time, 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to quickly cover the distance formula. Clear, student? Then I'll start section formula. Right? So any doubt, students? Any doubt? Till now, any doubt? Bharani, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Everything clear, Bharani? Correct? In Namakkal,
Yes,
which student? Sir, which school you are into?
Royal International.
Right. எப்படி இருக்கு? எல்லாம் okay ஆ போதா?
Yes, sir.
Right, very nice. So guys, what you are going to learn? So my class will be maximum like this only. So every screen, right, in the introduction, right, you will find these kind of boxes. Okay. Sir, why one more box, sir? Again, I like this way to represent, guys. What are the things you are going to learn here, student? Is three things. One is area, distance, section, area. Very simple chapters. Okay. Area what? I'm not going to say only triangle or quadrilateral. I'm going to say polygon area, and it's deleted, but still I'll cover this student because very much needed for your 11th standard. Okay. So distance, all the things you are going to learn, formulas. Okay. How you'll read? Distance formula, section formula, area formula or polygon area formula. Clear or not, guys? Okay. So some of the students joined just now. Guys, whoever attended last class, right, because of the new student, right, for the benefit of the new student, I'm just revising the distance formula again, right? You guys please listen. Okay, if you are little bored, you can join after 15 minutes. Correct, student? Correct. I'm leaving the distance to you. Okay, I'm leaving the distance to you. Okay. So what is great about distance? What is great about distance, guys? What is great about distance? Very simple. If I mark a point A here, point B here, if I say this distance is 2 and this distance is 5 centimeter, 5 units, okay?
What do you take?
Who is that? I'm getting nice. Megul, are you okay? How are you?
Answer.
So since when you are not well? Your mother said since Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling better? If you are really tired, don't worry. I'll send the recording. Okay, don't don't have too much. Just listen. Okay, if you are able to listen, listen. Else, please take rest. You can attend the class from the next class. No problem. Anyhow, it's all for you guys. It's a revision only. Correct or not? So it's up to you. I'm leaving the decision to you. Okay. So anyone can tell me what is the distance between A and B? What is the distance between A and B?
3 units.
3 units. If I put a point C, if I put a point D, this I say
What do you take?
2 centimeter, and here I say 6 centimeter. Guys, anyone can tell me what is the distance between C and D?
So 4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. So it is crystal clear now. So since we are learning distance formula, guys, distance formula. So finding a distance when a point on the axis, either x co-axis or y axis, no problem. But the real drama will start if I put a point here. Consider a point E. Other point here somewhere. Okay, F. Can you tell me what is the coordinates? Who is going to say what is the coordinate for this? Some new student. Okay, not old student. Some new student. Bharani, you can answer what is E.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me the two values.
Sir,
If not
2,2.
2,2. Excellent. Okay. So Tejaswani, can you tell me what is F? The two new values.
So 5,6.
5,6. That's great. Okay. If I ask you what is the distance, can you tell me easily like you said earlier? So guys, AB distance, anyone can say. CD distance, anyone can say. What is EF distance means? You cannot say 3 or 4. It's wrong. Correct or not? If you say 3, only this distance. If you say 4, this only this distance. So actually what does this distance mean? Guys, the moment I form this, you understand that it is a right triangle. Correct or not? So indirectly what, student? If a point, the line joining 2 points, The line is not or neither parallel to x nor parallel to y. What is the condition? Neither parallel to x nor parallel to y means it's a little difficult. So how you are going to do? Are the points not on the axis? You are going to construct a right angle triangle, and that right triangle will give you the answer. What? Horizontal distance and vertical distance. E, F, G, if I mark. Anyone can tell me what is G here? What is G here? Okay, this point is a little, okay, this point is here. Okay, anyone can tell me what is G? 5, 2. Correct or not? And you see here, the magic is here, student. You see here in EG, which is fixed, Y is fixed, X is varied. That's why it's called as X distance. And here, if you consider GF, X is fixed, Y is varying. What is that? 4. That's why it's called a Y distance. Guys, anyone can tell me what is the X distance here? X distance is what? 3 XD. And Y distance is what? 4. Because of that, can you tell me what is EF? How to find? Anyone can tell me. You have to apply what? Which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. What he said, student? EF square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Other two sides is what? XD and YD. Right, student? Clear? So instead of DF, I can mark it as what letter I mentioned here? D, distance. So this is the formula for your distance, student. Golden formula will be very much help you in so many places. Okay. So can we check that? Anyone got the answer? Now D square, apply that. XD square what? 3 square, and YD square is what? 4 square. The answer is 25. 25 is not a distance. 25 is distance square. Anyone can tell me how to find the root? Means only when you take a root will go, square will go. So D square equal to 25 and D will be plus or minus 5. D equal to plus or minus 5. But the truth is, student, since the distance is always positive, don't include negative value. Clear or not? Why? But ideally truth is what? Can you tell me if D square equal to 25 means D equal to what? Plus or minus 5. Please remember, D square equal to 25 means D equal to plus or minus 5. Why I didn't consider minus 5? Because distance always positive. Guys, sir, we learned a different formula, sir, in our school. Root of x2 minus. Guys, that's what we did. If you notice that very carefully, that's what we did. This xd is what? X2 minus x1. Yeah. And then what? This distance, how you find? XD. XD, how you find? Difference between x2 minus x1. 5 minus 1, 2, 3. So that's what you did. X2 minus x1. What you did? You put a square also. Then you put a plus. Here what you did? There is no change in y, x. You change, you find y2 minus y1. So instead of applying this formula is better than the other formula. Clear, student?
Is the formality a derivation?
Yep, this is the derivation of this. You no need to remember this, student, but understand the concept will help you in so many places. Okay, right? So any doubt? Don't worry much. When you are doing the problem, you will understand. Okay. If no doubts, shall I go to screen number 7? Guys, quickly say yes or no. New student, old student, no problem. New student. Bharani, Tejaswani,
Yes, sir.
and one more Rupashri. Who is that? I forgot. Sri Vaishnavi. Any of you attended? Tanmayi and Shivani, that's great. You know, I can see some new student from your end. I really appreciate you, Shivani. Okay, you are helping them, right? This help really, you know, it's a life, guys. You know, whatever Shivani helped you, okay, this is a lifetime help, student. Okay, because 10th is the board exam. Once in a lifetime. Okay, you will not get again. Please, okay? Please thank her. Okay, it's really a great help. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to start how to find the distance. Okay, so as I mentioned, old student, it's a good revision for you. Okay, if I put 2 comma 3, then 5 comma minus 1. If I ask what is the distance, okay, if I ask what is the distance, if I ask, in general, what we'll do, student? Bharani, what you'll do? How you'll find the distance? Root of. Can you tell me
Root
how you'll
of
find?
x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square.
Excellent. Then what you'll do? You'll take this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Then you will apply. Can you tell me how you'll apply? 5 minus 2 the whole square plus next is what?
7 minus 3 the whole square.
7 minus 3 the whole square. Then what you'll do? 5 minus 2 is 3 square. 7
4
minus
the
3
whole
is
square.
4 square. Then you will say 9 plus
Plus
16.
16
Then
under the root
Five.
of 25 is equal to 5.
5. Excellent. Correct? Correct, Bharani? Appreciate you. Really, really. How many of you clear or not clear this method? Just applying this formula, answer is right. So this is what I said, this is formula. Right? And I said, instead of that, you can use this formula also. So this is your textbook formula. And this is our, this is also textbook only, but not your textbook. It is JEE level textbook. Which textbook? Joint entrance exam level textbook. Okay. Sir, can I refer any textbook? Yeah, CBSE allows. Particularly, they will be more than okay if you are using some different techniques or some advanced material. Correct or not? That's why if you see that R.S. Agarwal, they never respect your NCERT. Have you seen that? R.S. Agarwal textbook having all the problem which is not there in your NCERT. Anyone agree? How many of you agree with me? It's true or not? If you open R.S. Agarwal textbook, it's totally
Yes,
different than your NCERT. So the reason is because of what? And your board exam question also not from your NCERT. Majority of the question from where? R.S. Agarwal or some other textbook. That's why, you know, students nowadays, how much time they are opening NCERT, they are spending more time on R.S. Agarwal. Clear? Guys, what I'm going to say, instead of D, I'm going to say D square. Can you tell me why? Why? Because if I don't want to put a root, I should square it. Clear? Now, the D square, what I'm going to say, how much distance, can you tell me, change in X is what? 2 is changed to 5. Guys, are you able to visualize 2 to 5? How much is the distance? How much is distance? Don't say minus 3 plus 3. It's always plus 3. Correct or not? Distance always positive. Distance always positive. In your physics, you learn now. In your physics, you used to say distance always positive. Clear or not? Anyone can tell me, Bharani, can you tell me distance between 2 to 5, how much?
3.
3. Okay, so I'm going to say 3 square because what is my formula saying? X distance, and the one you find what? X distance only you find. Next plus. What is Y distance?
Square.
3 is changed to 7. 3 is changed to 7. The distance is 4. So what is the answer? 9 plus 4. Sir, 9 plus 16 is equal to 20, 25. And do you know that 3 square, 4 square is what? It's a very popular Pythagorean triplets, right or not? And D equal to what, student? 5 units. Yes or no? So now, guys, you tell me, substituting the formula, substituting the value, you are finding same 5 units. Just visualizing the number line and tell me the answer. Guys, if I teach you this number line method, even 6th standard student can understand. Correct or not? 6th standard student will understand this number line. They will not understand this formula. If I ask them to find the distance, they will say XD, YD. They may not understand your square, those things. At least this part they will understand. So what is the difference between this formula, everything same. Only thing is that I'm not using this subtraction. Instead of I'm telling the number line. Rest of them is same. Clear or not? So use this formula to find the distance. Crystal clear or not? This is what my objective. So everywhere you will get these kind of shortcut techniques, ideas, which is going to help you. It's a lifetime education. Please understand, it's a lifetime education. Wherever you are going, in your engineering, if you are going to take BSc Mathematics, BSc Physics, everywhere this will come. All the places you can apply this technique. Clear or not? Anyone having doubt? Bharani, you tell me this, whether you understand or not. Particularly 3 square, 4 square, you understand.
Yes, sir.
Right. Appreciate it. Good. So one way is what? The accuracy is more, because number line visualization is very, very easy, student. Okay. Last class, whoever attended, they know that how this number line is helping you guys find the distance easily. Am I right or not? Last class, student. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Last class.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right, student. I'll take some 1 or 2 problem, not going to do every problem. Guys, 1 or 2 problems, student, right? Particularly, I can take some other problem instead of the one I did in the last class. Correct or not? Anyhow, last class also recording is there. So I'll take something else, student. Okay, so that you will appreciate the distance formula. How many of you really finished the distance formula question, student? How many of you really finished the distance formula question?
So finished.
Give the exercise.
Sir, I have finished, but some doubts are there, sir. Some 2 questions.
Yep. Yes, yes. I really appreciate you. Who is that? It's Ivani, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Guys, the moment you understand the concept, you will be very crystal clear, student. You will wait and see, okay? Nothing to worry. These are all simple chapter, but it's very, very important. Very, very important chapter, student. Very, 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 very important, right? So I'll take some good question for you, student, now for our understanding. Yeah, I'll take some board exam question directly, student. Some new student who joined today, can you tell me, sorry, can you read this question? Who can read that? Tanmay, I don't know when you joined.
Yes, sir.
Tanmay,
Today I
have
joined,
you,
sir.
today only? No, today only I know that, but when you join means 7 o'clock or 7:30.
7:30.
So maybe you will not understand that. Then I want, yeah, Akshaya joined again. Nah? Akshaya, can you read that? Read the question. Yes, Akshaya.
That the point 3, 0, 6, 4 and -1, 3 are the vertices of a right-angled isosceles triangle.
Excellent, excellent, Akshaya. Okay. So first is, if they are not giving names, your first duty is you have to use ABC or PQ or whatever you want. Clear on step number 1. What they are trying to say, there is vertices. I don't know what is that vertices. There is a triangle. Clear, student? There is a triangle. There are 3 vertices, and the vertices are given. What is that? 3, 0, 6, 4 and -1, 3. A, B, C. Correct or not? According to that, its diagram is needed. Diagram is not needed, but for your knowledge. Guys, when you say this triangle is an isosceles triangle, first, at least any of 2 sides should be equal. Correct or not? At least any of 2 sides should be equal. If all 3 are equal, can you say isosceles triangle? If
No,
all 3 sides are
Will
equal,
be equilateral triangle, right, sir?
so you cannot say isosceles triangle, student. You can say isosceles triangle, correct or not? What is the definition of isosceles triangle? At least 2 sides should be equal. It is not, even if all 3 sides are equal also, you can call it as isosceles triangle, because the condition is what? 2 sides has to be equal. Sir, if 3 sides also equal, yes, it's equal triangle, but still you can call it as isosceles triangle. Okay, now coming to other point. Okay, so all you need what? The length you need. Length means what, student? Here, distance you need, right? So here the magic, how your distance formula is going to help you to prove that it's an isosceles triangle. Then they are giving one more word also, na? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, who will take a support? You will take a support of It should satisfy Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras saying? That square of the greater side, I'm not going to use hypotenuse. Bolo, how will say? Square of the greater side should be equal to sum of the squares
Sum
of
of
the
two.
other two sides.
Yes, sir.
Sum of the, bolo, sum of the squares of the other two sides. It should be like mantra, student. How you are singing a song. Huh? It should not be like square of the, sum of the, gone. The definition is gone. Correct or not? So you should read like the, the definition should be like a song. Clear or not? Okay, ready. So two things you need to prove. One is isosceles, other is right angle. That's why it came under how many mark question? 4 mark question in 2016. Clear or not? Everyone. So 9th student, you are also going to attend on 4 mark question right away. Clear or not? So what is the first distance I have to find? I have to find AB, BC, AC. But I'm not going to find AB. Instead, I'm going to find what? AB square. Now, ideally, what you will use? You will use this method. This is what the textbook method. I'm not going to use. I'm going to use this method. Who is ready to use my method? EC. Easy. I want some new student. They just want you join from the beginning, 7 o'clock, even though you are 9th standard. Just you try to answer 3 to 6. What is the distance?
Sir, 3 units.
That's all. So you have to say x distance square. Then someone else. Sri Vaishnavi, can you tell me what is the distance? 0 to 4. Sri Vaishnavi is not there. Okay. Someone else. Someone else, maybe some new student. Darun Shankar. Yeah, I forgot Darun Shankar. No, Darun Shankar.
4 units.
0 to 4. 4 units. So can I say 4 square? This is according to which theorem, Darun Shankar? According to which theorem you are writing this? Excellent. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, even though it's called as distance formula, the formula is derived from Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Can you tell me what is the answer, student? For very popular, 5 square. Can I write 25 directly?
Yes.
Can I write 25 directly? Everyone. Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the next distance? What is the next distance? BC square. So, who is going to say this answer? Some new student can try. I want to see new student how you are. Excellent. One side is 0, other side is -1, other side is 6. Don't say 5 student because it's the opposite side. This side is 1, this side is 6. So total distance between -1 to 6, it is not 5, it is 7. It's very important, guys, the techniques, because after coming to 11th and 12th, your formal steps will not work. How accuracy at the same way, how quickly you are answering. Clear or not? Even board exam also, 10th board exam also, how quickly you are answering is very important. Now, who is going to say my y distance? 4 to 3. What is the distance? 1 square. That's all. 1, no, why 7? 4 and 3, what is the distance? How much is the distance? Why 7? 1. Okay. So 7 square plus 1 square, who is going to say
49.
answer directly?
49.
49
50,
plus 1 is
50.
what?
50.
Don't take too much time. Okay, don't write too many steps. Answer quickly. Now, what is the next one? AC square. Clear or not? Clear or not? What is this distance? Wow, super.
4 square.
3. Normally, guys, even if you use x2 minus x1, this answer may be chances of wrong. But the moment you understand number line, your answer is no more wrong answer. Clear or not? The answer is 4 square.
The 3.
Plus
3 square.
3
plus
square.
0 to 3 square. Anyone, sir? I'm
20.
not clear with the number line, sir.
25.
Anyone having like that? 25. So first answer, 2 sides are equal. Yes. So it is isosceles triangle proved. And what is the other right angle triangle? Square of the larger side. Guys, don't put square. You already square only you are finding. Correct or not? Square of the BC, that is BC square, is equal to sum of the squares of the, already squares is there. Sum of these two is what? 50. Is it crystal clear or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So two things you need to say, AB equal to AC. One thing, because isosceles triangle. Second, what you will say? Second, what you'll say? BC square equal to below.
Square is equals to AB square plus AC square.
Excellent. This is what theorem? Pythagoras
Pythagoras
theorem.
Pythagoras
So
theorem.
by these two results, I'm going to say the given is
Right angled isosceles triangle.
right angled. Guys, one page. The answer is crystal clear. Whoever is correcting your paper, they will be happy like anything. Trust me, student. They will be happy like anything. 3 lines answer is ready. Crystal clear or not?
Sir, if
Just by
this
applying.
will last for 4 marks, we can write this only, sir. They'll not
Yes,
cut any marks.
I'm saying one thing. There is no relation between number of lines and number of marks, particularly in mathematics. Even 2 lines, if you are giving answer, they have to give 4 marks. Clear or not? Clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
There is no relation between number of so many students who studied with me. They scored centum just using these techniques. What's the problem? So many students who scored 95, 98 using these techniques. What is your problem? Clear or not? So this is not first time, and board exam key I have with me. Every board exam, it's crystal clear. Don't reduce the mark because of student not writing formula, because of any simplification steps. No. All the things, if student arrive the right answer, don't reduce any mark, give full mark. And they clearly said student can follow any method accordingly mathematically accepted way. It can be a method which is mentioned in the textbook from some other country. Clear or not? Foreign other textbook, still it is allowed. So no need to worry. Okay, throw that fear, student. Any doubt before I'm going to next screen? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Guys, what we can do? Shall I do some distance formula question instead of going to section formula? We will do some more distance formula, and we will be make sure that you are crystal clear. Yes or no? Is that fine?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. So one more question. Super. Now we'll see all quality questions, student. Okay. Any doubt? Varani, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, right? Okay. So how many of you really completed watching arithmetic progression, which I already uploaded in YouTube? All 4 videos are there. I'm not going to upload all the chapters, student. Only 1 or 2 chapters I will upload everything. Rest of thing I'm planning to upload one shot videos. Okay, but the detail will be given here only. Okay. So how many of you really completed this? How many of you really completed arithmetic progression? No.
Sir, I have
if
completed
not,
it, sir.
wow, very nice, very nice. Have you watched the 4th video where I
Yes,
covered
sir.
all
Even
the
noted
advanced?
those questions also, sir.
Yeah, it's very important question, Shivani, because all are quality question. But I didn't write detailing because first 3 videos are covered everything, right? So I'm giving only hint how to solve those questions. Clear or not? But quality questions. Quality question. So first 3 videos will give you the understanding, and the 4th video basically literally board exam question, right? So here I'm requesting everyone can watch. I think Akshaya, you asked, but I think my wife said you didn't send any message, right, Akshaya?
Yes, sir, but I saw the invitation in that itself. The YouTube link was there.
Oh, okay. Coming to this point. Okay, coming to this. What do you need to prove? Show that PQRS is a rhombus but not square. Guys, the moment they used PQRS, don't use your own letter. Some student, by habit, by habit, they are using ABCD. No, it's not correct. It's not correct. Okay, it's not correct. So basically, they are asking you to prove what? It's some kind of quadrilateral. I don't know what is this, but they are asking you to prove what? They are asking you to prove what? They are vertices of the rhombus. Anyone can tell me, guys, this is what you should know. Properties of rhombus also. Clear or not? Just one way understanding will not help, particularly board exam. Clear? So P is what? 2 comma minus 1. Q is what? 3 comma 4. R is what? Minus 2 comma 3. S is what?
-3, -2.
Excellent. Right? Guys, if you want to say this is quadrilateral. Agree with me or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral can be anything. It can be trapezium, rhombus, kite. Your is what is that? Your rectangle. That complete child
Parallelogram.
anywhere, right? Parallelogram also, right? But they're asking you to particularly prove as a rhombus. Rhombus property is what, student?
All the
Rhombus
sides.
property is what? All sides are needs to be equal. One thing. If all four sides are equal, it can be rhombus, or sometime it can be square also. So if you want to say, when you can say rhombus as a square, that degree should be 90 degrees. That's one way. What is the other way you can say? Because we are using
Diagonals
distance.
are equal.
Diagonal has to be equal if it is a rhombus. But sorry, diagonal has to be equal if it is a square.
Square,
But
right,
if it is
sir?
if it is a rhombus, it should not be equal. Are you clear? It is
Yes,
not
sir.
necessary to be equal. It is not necessary to be equal. Guys, please understand the meaning of it should not be, it not necessary. Okay. Even square
Sir,
also
then the
rhombus.
alternative sides are equal, right, sir?
In rhombus,
Alternative sides are equal.
I didn't get what you are saying. Alternate sides.
Yes, sir.
When I say all four sides are equal, where is alternate? All the sides are equal in rhombus. Even in square also all sides are equal. Plus in square diagonals has to be equal. But what you need to prove? Can you see who is going to read? Shivani, can you read that? Show that.
Show that PQRS is a rhombus, but not a square.
Square. So if you want to say it is a rhombus but not a square means, what is your condition? All four sides has to be equal.
All four sides should
And
be equal.
diagonal
And
should not be equal. Because diagonal equal means it will be square. Clear or not? Everyone crystal clear? Now we are ready. Guys, this is hardly few seconds. You have to run the show in your brain. Very important. In your mind. Clear or not? You have to run the show. Before doing anything, run the show. Think that what I am going to do. Yes, now my plan is clear. I'm going to find first is four distances and I'm going to make sure that all four are equal. Ready, start. What is PQ square? Quickly. Quickly. Anyone can tell me what is the distance?
1 square.
2 to 3. 1 square. Wait.
That's 5
someone
square.
else. Not no. Shivani, please. I want everyone to answer. Okay. So someone else. Shaili, anyhow. Shaili join. Shaili Hariharan.
5 square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Join, sir.
Please wait. Yes. I want someone. Anirudh, you can answer. What is the distance between -1 and 4? Anirudh, you are there or not? No, I'm not able to hear you.
5 square.
Yes. So Megul answer. Megul, you are not well. Why you are taking your energy? Don't waste. Just listen. Okay. Right, Megul?
Sir.
But I appreciate your interest. Okay. Can you tell me what is the total? 26. Guys, you tell me how much line you will write. One line answer is ready. Agree with me or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is the mark. Okay. The 1 mark is given to for this only. Even not even 1 mark, half mark. Correct or not? Half mark. 6 distance, 3 mark. And the writing, you are going to write some final statement. That is 1 mark. So 4 mark question, half mark. If you are writing more than that, that's you are wasting your time. Clear or not? So now coming to that. QR. 3, 2 minus 2.
Sir,
Who is going to say? 3, 2 minus 2.
Sir, 5 square.
5 square. Now I want answer from Bharani. Bharani, tell me what is the distance?
Sir, 1 square.
1 square. Don't say -1 plus 1, always 1 square. The answer is 26. What a beauty. RS. Akshaya, you tell me. Akshaya, where is your friend?
Sir, she didn't come today.
Okay, just no problem. Okay, Akshaya, can you tell me what is the distance between? Yeah, these things, who is going to say that? Akshaya, you are okay to say that? -2 to Is it correct? Guys, am I right or not? In the number line, I'm writing like this. This is correct or not in the number line? The presentation is correct and representation is correct or
No,
not?
sir.
-3 should be here, -2 should be here. Correct or not? Right. What is the distance? Anyone can tell me. Yeah, Akshay, you can tell me what is the distance.
Sir, 1.
Not 1. That's all. Don't say -1 +1 +5. Nothing, student. If you visualize the number line, answer is automatic. The answer is 1 square. Next, quickly. What we are finding? RS. 3 to 5 square. What is the answer, student?
26.
Guys, it's not my own question. You see here. 2012 question. Correct or not? 4 mark. Right away. Easy or not? Yes. Who is going to say that?
5 square
minus square
plus 1 square.
-1 to -2. Yes.
26 square. 26.
26. Guys, someone will say, sir, you are not finding distance, sir. You are finding distance. Guys,
square.
if square is equal, automatically the square root also will be equal. This is a property, student. Okay. So which means, guys, this is all 4 sides are equal. Agree with me or not?
Sir, that last one is PS square, sir.
Sir, PS square. All 4 sides are equal. Correct or not? Now, what are you going to say? Listen. This indicates it can be square also. Strictly they said, guys, simply they said it's prove only that rhombus means you can end here, you can say it's a rhombus. Clear or not? If they are not giving this word, they are saying only rhombus. If all 4 sides are equal, it will be rhombus, student. No problem at all. Even though it's square, no problem. Square can be called as rhombus. But strictly they said not a square means you have to show that the diagonals are not equal. What is the diagonal? PR and QS. So PR square. Who is going to say PR square? Quickly, PR. Watch it. 2 minus 2. How much is the distance? 4. Guys, one student answer every time. Okay, we'll wait for others also answer. Okay, PR -1 to 3. What is the answer? Guys, same student answering again. Wait, let's other student also answer. Okay.
16 plus 16.
So
32.
Guys, wait for some time, right? You are answering every time. Wait. Who is answering? I really appreciate you. Who is answering? Adit. Adit. Okay, Adit is very nice, but we have to. You are from 10th standard, na?
Yes, sir.
Right. Some students from 9th also join, na? Okay. Bharani, I want answer from you that QS square.
5
Full
square
answer.
plus 1 square.
Shall I check? What is that? QS 3 2 minus 3. 3 2 minus 3. How come you are saying 3 2 minus 3 2 plus 3? What is the distance?
Sorry, sir. 6.
6 square.
6 square.
Okay, no problem. Then what is y distance? 4 and minus 2.
6.
Again 6 square. Excellent. What is the answer? 36 plus 36. Guys, one thing I would like to say, even you don't want to simplify, student, please remember, no one going to ask. Even you write like this, and you can say what? Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Are you clear? Call this statement as 1, call this statement as 2. So from 1 and 2, simply you write given is rhombus but not square. Clear or not, everyone? Any doubts? Doubts are welcome. So this is the way, guys, you have to earn the marks. Okay, traditional approach. That's why students who are going to Allen or this one, what is that? Akash, they are scoring very full mark easily. Have you ever wondered that? Because of board exam correction is different than your teacher. If you are preparing for normal questions, applying same way, same technique, guys, I'm calling you guys and giving the guarantee you guys will score centum And because of what? If you follow me traditionally, completely full devotion, I'm sure that your centum is guaranteed. But the devotion is needed and no cheating. If I give the homework, yes, strictly you have to follow, you have to finish. Then your centum is guaranteed. Clear or not? Clear or not? You will learn everything new way, new learn, all techniques. Correct or not? Traditional way, guys, it's very tough. I'm not saying your hard work is wasted, no, but it's very tough, student, right? When this, because max is full of secrets. Max is full of secrets. We should know those secrets, else it's very tough. Okay. Guys, okay, there are so many times these kind of questions are repeated, student, right? You will see, prove that, I'll give the worksheet, student. All this question will come in your worksheet, which I'm going to send today, right? Guys, they didn't ask this right angle something. No, they are asking you what? Only isosceles triangle, right? And the name also they are giving. Guys, it's very simple. You are going to find AB square, BC square, and
AC square.
Three line answer is ready. You are going to say it's isosceles or not. Right? Who is going to say? Who is going to stay with me and answer? Ania.
Sir,
Ania.
1 square.
No, Adit, you please wait. Okay. We'll ask from someone else. Okay. So I know that you are very eager to answer, but we'll see that. I can see Jeepita. Okay. Yeah, Tarun Shankar, you can answer for me AB square. AB square will be answered by Tarun Shankar, and Sri Vaishnavi will answer BC square, and AC square will be answered by Sri Lekha. Guys, I am giving the names. Okay, one. Who is going to say AB square first?
Sir, me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, 1,6.
Don't say 1,6. 1 square plus
6 square.
That's all. What is the answer? 36 plus 1 is what?
37.
37. Now who has to answer? Supposed to answer this? Whose name I gave? I forgot. Anyone can recollect? Guys, someone tell me. I told some name. Sri Vaishnavi, correct? Sri Vaishnavi, are you there?
Yes, sir, now my father calls, sir, so that only I don't know.
Okay. But are you okay to answer BC square?
Yes, sir.
Five to 7. What is the distance?
Sir, 2.
Sir.
Wait. Sri Vaishnavi, please answer.
Square.
2 square plus Sri Vaishnavi, you are locked. Distance between these two. -2, -2. What is the answer?
4 square.
4 square. You tell me, Sri Vaishnavi, it is -2 and -2. What is the distance between these two?
0,
Same point, na? What is the distance? 0, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the answer? Sri Vaishnavi, what is the answer?
4.
Okay, who's supposed to answer AC square?
Sri Lekha, sir.
Sri Lekha. Tell me, Sri Lekha.
1 square plus 6 square, sir.
1 square plus 6 square. No. Yes, 6 square. Yes. 37. Guys, now who is going to give me the conclusion? I want Tanmay. Tanmay, can you give the conclusion? I think you joined late, so you cannot. Okay. Bharani, can you give the conclusion? Guys, this is 3 mark only. Whatever you did, only 3 mark. You have to write a final statement. Then you will lose the 1 mark. Clear or not? Yes, Bharani. Tell me what I need to write.
So therefore, it is an isosceles triangle because two sides.
2 sides. Which 2 sides are equal?
AB and CA.
AB equal to AC. Here you can write here AB equal to AC. Sir, I didn't take a root. Root, no problem. When AB square equal to AC square equal to AB equal to AC, no problem. Which implies given Given is or given points are vertices of the,
Isosceles triangle.
yes, given points are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Guys, crystal clear or not, right? What you need, right? Then distance formula, right? You see, literally you are seeing some board exam questions. Is it crystal clear or not? Everyone.
Clear, sir.
Everyone. Right.
Clear.
Clear, sir.
I'll take next set of in the distance formula. Very important thing. Every time you can get these kind of questions also, right? Every time you can get these kind of questions also. Next set of question, guys. In distance, one set of question will be like this. They will give 3 vertices at the 4 point. They will ask you to prove it's a rhombus, square, rectangle, parallelogram, so many things to, right? So you should know little bit about this property of the what? Property of quadrilaterals, okay? Properties of the quadrilateral. But don't think some difficult. No, guys. Board exam question means concept is repeated. Only number they will change. Clear or not? Only number will be changed. But other than that, same concept only repeated. Clear or not? That's a guarantee that you can score centum easily if you follow me. Very simple. Okay. This time they are going to introduce MCQs, but no need to worry. I know how to prepare MCQ. I have a systematic plan for that, right? We have, because of internet, right? Our job is reduced like anything, student. There are so many teachers like me. They are helping other students, other teachers, other students. Clear or not? They are putting video, they are sending the material, and even our student. Some students sharing the question paper. So here, question bank or test papers or MCQs, it is not something very difficult. Everyone will understand. But the problem is now also I can say concept teacher is very less. Concept teaching teacher is very, very less. Clear or not? So please understand that the moment you understand the concept, we are going to give lot of worksheets. Now, if I give you the worksheet, will you be happily do or not? Agree with me or not? If I give you a distance from proof, this is what, guys, earlier you will do. Now you are going to do Hindu. Oh, I'm going to prove that. How? That kind of Hindu. Max is the only subject which will give that satisfaction. Nothing other subject, even science. Okay. In front of Max, no other subject will give the happiness. But if you don't understand the concept, if someone sharing, some parents will say, give worksheet. What is the use? Without understanding, if I give the worksheet, it will be one more stress like your school. You guys are, sir, too much workload, stress. Do you think your 10th is that much difficult? You guys are making that difficult, correct or not? It is nothing. It is nothing. If you understand the concept, your whole max is nothing. Clear or not? So understanding is a problem, student. Clear or not? Every concept, if you understand crystal clear, you tell me your 30% of workload is gone, correct or not? Your whole 10th, your 30 to 35% allotted for what? Max only, correct or not? I know that you guys will not respect social science and language paper. So your more time is consumed by what? Max. The moment you understand the concept, your complete stress will be gone, and that will give relief, and you can study your science very well. Clear or not? That's what I'm doing. I'm not giving relief just for Max. The moment you understand Max, you will be completely relaxed. You can give your full potential to your science also. Clear? Clear, my dear student? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Coming to this, okay? Coming to that. I'll give a how to handle your mind, how to plan a strong determination, right? As a yoga teacher, right? I know how to deal with your mind, right? We'll give all the techniques, right? Whenever I get time, okay? Don't worry. And Max is so easy. Max is so easy. The beauty is Max is so easy. Clear? So guys, this kind of question is very popular in distance. What is that? They will give that. This word is a keyword, student. What is that?
Equidistant.
They will say a point which is equidistant from 2 points. The points are what? They didn't name it, mean you have to name it 2 comma minus 5. If they are giving some name, use the same name. If they are giving QR, use QR, don't use AB. Clear or not? Now this point is equidistant. So what is this point, sir? In general, you have to put X and Y, but since the point on the X-axis, who is remember in today's introduction, I told you, in
Sir,
X-axis,
then y
you
will
know,
be 0.
yes, Shivani, you have to wait, okay? Because many of the students attended today. I want answer from them also, okay? So I'll come to Shivani, Shaili, Harigaran, Atti, one more what, your friend. I'll come to you, okay? I'll ask, I'm expecting answer from the new. If they are not answering, I'll call you. Shivani, can you answer? Shaili, can you answer? Right? Right? Clear? Okay, because
Yes,
I
sir.
want to know they are
Yes.
also aware or not. Okay. So now your y coordinate is 0, correct or not? Anyone have a question? Why I put 0 for y? Bharani, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Now you tell me what is the distance? Distance are equal. Whatever distance, I don't know, but their distance are equal. Now your requirement is what? Find the point. Find the point.
I have to find the point on x-axis.
Yeah, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from A and B. Is it clear or not? Now your duty is equidistant means this is equal to this is your PA equal to PB. So as usual, I don't like root. So if I don't want to put a root, instead of PA equal to BP means the square also equal. It is mathematically accepted. Okay, no teacher and no one going to complain here. PA equal to PB squares are equal. The reason, simple reason why I'm putting square, I don't want to put a root. Okay, who is going to ready to say that what is PA? Sir, what is the distance, sir? Normally, if it is a number, you will say immediately. But X means what you will represent. Always represent English letter first, then number second. X minus 2 square. Then, yeah, guys, this is easy, no? What is the distance between 0 and minus 5? 5 square. Equal to, what is this?
X minus
X plus 2.
No, X minus, you see here, minus of minus will become
minus
plus.
plus
Very careful, student.
X plus 2 whole
Very
square.
careful. So what is the
Plus
distance
9
between 0
square.
and 9? Plus 9
9
square. Right? So I want this expansion by, I'll give the name, okay? Arya, you give the name expansion for this. And Ania, can you answer, expand this? Ania.
Yes, sir.
Right. Expand. Arya, expand this. Ania, expand this. Yes, quickly.
Hello, sir.
Arya, are you there?
Sir,
No,
yes,
I'm
some
not able to
network
hear you.
problem, sir.
But I can hear you. Now you can talk.
Yes, sir,
tell me.
hello?
Yes, I can hear you. You are able to talk or not? Are you okay? I'm not able to hear him. Okay. Anushri, can you answer for this quickly?
Sir, using A minus B whole square
This is the
identity.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anushri's answer. Yes, Anushri answer. Quickly. Anushri, A minus B the whole square.
X square
Guys, X square
minus 4.
minus 4 X 2AB na?
Yes, sir.
2AB plus B square. B square is what?
4.
Guys,
4.
if you are not clear, please remember, these are all 1,000 times you are going to use in your life. In your 11th and 12th, A minus B, A plus B. Even though who found this nonsense formula, but 1,000 times you will use in your max. So when you are going to use 1,000 times, please, it is not just you know the answer. You should be very fast. Clear or not? You should be quickly, you have to give the answer, student. Okay. Who is going to answer for this? I think I told someone.
Sir, Adit.
Yes.
Sir, X square plus 4X plus 2.
x square
plus 4x
plus
plus 2
4x plus 2.
plus 81.
You did a mistake, na? Check properly. X square plus 4x, a square plus 2ab plus b square, na? B square is what? 2
4
square
only,
is
right,
what?
sir?
4.
All right, sir.
Yes, sir.
You said 2.
No, sir.
No, I
4
heard
only.
2.
4. Okay, sir.
You said 4 only.
Okay, sir.
No,
4.
no, guys. What he said, anyone confirm? He said 2
2,
or
sir.
4.
2, sir. I said 2, sir.
Yeah, you said 2. That's what I said wrong. Yeah. X square is cancel. Don't cancel minus 4x plus 4x. Many students will do because minus plus. Guys, you are cancelling from LHS to RHS. You only equal sign. So now
Sir, plus
bring
4
your
plus 4 we can cancel it, sir. Plus 4 and plus 4.
Yeah, plus 4 you can cancel. Excellent. So this 4x if you bring, it's minus 8x.
Minus 8x.
Don't show that minus 4x minus, directly answer, right? So this is 81 student. If you bring this guy, minus 825. So anyone can help me simplify quickly? 81, if I am there, if I remove 20, what will happen? 61, then 5.
59, sir.
Not 59. How come? 81, if you remove 20, what is the answer?
56.
56.
56, sir.
60?
Sir, 56.
56.
Plus or minus?
Sir.
Plus, na? Plus
Plus,
56.
sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me x equal
X
to
is
what?
equal to minus
56 by minus 8 is what? Direct answer.
Minus 7.
minus 7.
But you have to put minus 7. Crystal clear or not? Many students leaving the answer, happily they will come out from the board exam. They will come back with the answer. I'm going to search Centum. They will be coming back like that. But if you miss here, they will reduce 1 mark. Because the question is not to find the value of x. You have to find the point. The point is what? This. So you have to write the answer, guys. Simple careless mistake, you will lose your Centum student. So required point equal to x comma 0. So x is what? Minus 7.
Minus 7, comma 0.
7,0.
How come I am telling all those things? Because my experience, correct or not? When a teacher means, when I was a student, I had a lot of experience. That's second story, right? Whenever coming back, my students are coming from the board exam. Oh, sir, I missed that. You know, I'm highlighting those ones. Correct or not? Students missing their Centum because of this student. Clear or not? Don't assume that, sir, they will give the mark. Particularly Centum means they will reduce. Please remember. If your score is very less, at least they will give full mark, 2 mark. But if your score is Centum means they will look the place where they can reduce the mark. Are you clear? Are you clear? So make sure that don't give too much importance on writing too many steps. No. Step means that, corner steps only, critical steps only, turning steps only, marks will be carried. Your simplification, no marks will be given. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can see some new student. Okay. Serbia. Beham. Yes. So, yeah. You are from which place, Serbia?
Valanur,
Tamila?
sir.
Tamila?
Valanur. Ama, sir.
Valavanur. Right. But CBC then?
No, sir. Metric, sir.
You are metric. Okay. But this classes is for CBSE. But okay, you join. But this distance formula is there in your metric also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Guys, I'll take some question in this distance formula. Okay. So what is that kind of question? 1 minute, student. Guys, I will not able to cover all the sums. Problems are unlimited. Every flavor, I'll take one problem and same kind of problem you only need to do. Clear or not, everyone? So even though I am willing to teach, but in these 3 months, we will not able to cover every chapter. Clear or not? So my duty is what? Take this flavor one sample. So rest of the flavor I will give us a worksheet. So based on this recording and class notes, guys, I'm going to give everything. Correct or not? Whatever we are discussing, it's being recorded now. So you will get everything and make sure that you are doing it properly. Can I have a sir? No, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So guys, this question is little different. What is that? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Or something. Okay. So guys,
No,
they are
sir.
saying right angle at A. Right angle at, clear or not? They said right angle at A. Anyone can tell me the moment they said right angle at A, who is going to say Pythagoras theorem? Who is going to say the Pythagoras theorem? Quick.
BC square is equal to AB
Guys,
square.
whether it's AB square equal to ABC square plus AC square or AC square equal to AB square plus BC, who is going to say that? Who knows
Sir,
the
BC
technique?
square is equal to AB
Who
square
know the
plus AC
technique?
square.
Excellent, correct. What's the technique you have
Yes, sir.
used?
Hypotenuse
What's the
square
technique
is
you have
equal to base square plus perpendicular square.
But how you know where is your hypotenuse? Where is your these things?
Sir, they are told right angle at A, then A is the right 90 degree, right, sir?
Sir,
A is the
opposite
right
to
angle.
the right angle is the hypotenuse. Right, sir?
Hypotenuse, yes, sir.
Excellent. Opposite to the guys, this is what technique, okay? But I'm going to give you one more super technique. Guys, your hypotenuse, your right angle at A means which letter is A? A, your right angle at A. So what is the remaining two letter? BC.
B and C.
So BC is your hypotenuse, correct or not? So all you need to choose, where is your hypotenuse? BC square. Crystal clear. And I'm not drawing any diagram. The moment they say right angle at A, I know that my hypotenuse is BC. Because whatever letter they mention, the remaining two letters are hypotenuse. Anyone having doubt? How to find hypotenuse? How to find hypotenuse? Anyone?
No,
Guys,
sir.
these are secret. That's what I'm saying. Everything is secret. Right? If you don't understand the secret, no. Max is difficult only. Clear? And the next time they will say BC. If someone can say, Srilega, can you tell me, if they say right angle at B means, what you will write as a hypotenuse? Quickly. Srilega. Quickly. No student, are you there or not? Listening or not? No. Sri Vaishnavi. AC, excellent. Why you are thinking lot? AC square. So guys, whatever letters here, remaining two letters hypotenuse. Any doubt, student? Anyone having doubt how to write the hypotenuse problem? Now, its other two sides are easy, student. What is that? AB square. Next is what?
AC square.
AC square.
Here or not? BC is the moment you write hypotenuse, rest of the two sides are equal. Guys, now they said it's a right angle and you draw the Pythagoras theorem, you apply the Pythagoras theorem. Darun Shankar, are you clear this? 9th standard also you apply Pythagoras theorem, are you clear? Now you tell me, Darun Shankar, what is BC? Darun Shankar, you are going to say BC square. Quickly.
Sir, 4 square.
4 square, excellent. Plus
4y.
Y and 4. 4y nahi. Y minus 4 square. You have to say the subtract. Clear or not? Y minus 4. Difference only. Distance only. Y minus 4. Correct or not? Okay. Now, who is going to say? One is Bharani, I want this answer from you. And Sri Vaishnavi, I want this answer from you. AB square from Bharani, AC square from Sri Vaishnavi. Quickly. Guys, apart from that, any of our old student, I know that Shivani brought so many students. I really appreciate. Okay. Other than that, any of our old friends, old student, 1 minute. I'm getting a call. Sir?
Immediately after today's meeting, please change the password. All the links.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, shall we change after tomorrow's foundation class, sir? Is that fine?
Tomorrow. Okay. Sure.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow, exactly after the foundation, I'll change everything, sir.
Yeah,
No?
please do that.
Any lecture is there, sir? Tomorrow night, guest lecture.
No lecture tomorrow.
Yes,
No
sir.
lecture.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Joining.
Sorry, sir. I got disconnected. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. 9 o'clock, right, sir? 9 o'clock. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, guys, anyhow, I have meeting. Okay, I'll quickly finish this. Okay. Oh, who is going to answer for AB square?
Sir,
Someone.
Bharani.
Yeah, Bharani, tell me. Yes.
Sir, 5 square
You're telling AB. Oh, AB. Yes, 5 square. Correct. 5 square.
plus y minus 3 the whole square.
Excellent, Bharani. I really appreciate it. Good. Next, who is going to say AC square?
Sir, Vaishnavi, sir.
Yes, Vaishnavi, tell me. Are you answering? Your voice is very low, Vaishnavi. Talk loudly. AC.
7 square.
1 square, sir.
7 square. How come? 4 and 3. Distance between 3 and 4. What is the distance?
Square, sir.
What is the distance between 3 and 4?
1 square.
1 square. I got 7 square something. Okay, you are saying 1 only. Okay, that's 7. Okay. Next.
1 square.
Again 1 square. Appreciate it. Good. So who is going to expand these two? Okay, I can give one student. Okay. So maybe okay. Tejaswani, you can answer this. Tejaswani, are you okay? You are a 9 student, but still you are okay to expand this?
Yes, sir.
Then one more 10 student.
Sir, Adit.
Adit, you are very active guy. I know that. Okay. But someone else. Wait. Yes, you can answer. Yes. So first, yeah, Adit, this is you, and this is, who is that? Who said? I said. Why means who is that? Yes.
Sir,
Yeah, they just saw. First you tell 16. Okay, next. What is this?
Square minus 2y4.
Minus 2y4. That is 8y. Correct or not?
8y plus 16.
Plus 6. I really appreciate you. Okay. So next, entire thing I want from you. Adit. Entire thing. Yes.
Yeah, sir. 25.
25.
Plus y square.
Yes.
Minus 6y.
Excellent.
Plus 9.
Plus 9.
Plus 2.
Excellent. Good. Now, first thing is that this is problematic. This y square has to be cancelled first. Then what is the like terms? Like term is very important. Okay. You can bring this 8y, these things here. What is that? Minus 8y.
Minus 2y.
Minus 8y plus 6y. The answer is minus 2y.
Minus 2y.
Guys, only variable at the left hand side. Move all the numbers to the right hand side. Anything can be cancelled. That also you can check. 25, guys. 25. Okay. So now here, what is the answer? 25.
Sir, 36.
You will get 36. Here, what you'll get?
36 minus 32. 4, sir.
Tell me minus 2.
Minus 2 is the
4.
Y.
So which implies y equal to minus 2.
Minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Don't immediately conclude anything. See the question. Find the value of oh God. That is correct. Clear or not? Immediately after find many students coming out. Don't go to that. Read the question. Whether they are asking why or something else. Sometime they may ask something else to them. Sometime, right? They will ask find the value of y square plus 5. What is the answer? These kind of things also will be there, student. Right? Make sure that read the question properly. Clear or not? Don't immediately conclude there is a possibility of use the centum. Guys, distance formula, the coverage is this much only, student, right? We solve the different varieties. Clear? Right?
Yes, sir.
When you are
Yes,
solving,
sir.
you will get
Yes,
lot of
sir.
doubts. Your doubts will be clarified in the next class. Okay. So I know that you guys are, I'm not tired. Okay. Basically, when I'm teaching maths, I never get tired. Basically, it is a kind of energy. Okay. Because from morning 6 o'clock onwards, I'm sitting on, I'm taking continuous classes, lot of different batches, but I never get tired. Do you find tired? No, I'm talking actively, correct or not? Correct or not? I never show that tired, right?
Yes, sir.
Because that I want you guys also that kind of interest too. Okay. So section formula I'm going to take in the next class, because new student, they will really get tired because they are all joined at 7 o'clock. Okay. So staying in one class more than 1.5 hours, it's that's why we fixed 1.5 hours. Okay. Okay, because normally we are, but not like a school. Okay, school is 40, that's nonsense. Okay, 40 minutes is nonsense. More than 1.5 hours also it's difficult, but 1.5 hours is the ideal, particularly for maths. Okay, schools are following for how many of the school following 45 minutes? I'm sure all your schools, right? That's first needs to
So
be
50
removed.
minutes. You know?
Maths has to be at least 1.5 hours student. 2 session has to be combined, because the teacher is coming and explaining what gone half 15 minutes gone. Then he will solve 2 questions, then gone. Then where is the continuity? Tomorrow he will come, he will forget everything, then he will repeat again first 15 minutes. So waste. Correct or not? How I started? I started complete origin of coordinate geometry. Even who found that? What is the story behind? Clear or not? See one by one. Entire introduction. Then we have seen that how this any geometrical shapes represented through coordinates. Then the third thing is what? Definition of coordinate geometry. Clear or not? Then we learn what? What are the things you are going to learn in coordinate geometry? And today we focused what? Distance. This is called a systematic study. Clear or not? Then we understand how the distance formula is derived. This formula from your textbook, but this formula is our JEE material. So according to that, we learned a distance can be in traditional way and this shortcut way. Both are giving same answer in a quick manner, and we started taking a small problem to advanced problem. Clear or not? This is a small problem and advanced problem. Clear? So I plan to cover section formula, but it's okay, student, because I need to prepare some material for my next meeting, right? So anything else? Anyone wants to talk? Particularly new student, you have any doubt? You can ask me. I'll stop recording. Okay. So now